Need to make a quick payment towards your Klarna balance directly from your phone? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make a payment using the Klarna app, anytime, anywhere. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The Klarna app makes it easy to manage your payments on the go. Whether you're paying an installment or settling your balance early, the process is straightforward and secure. Let's get started. First, open the Klarna app and log into your account. From the home screen, you'll see an overview of your purchases and any upcoming payments. Tap on the purchase you'd like to pay. On the purchase details screen, you'll see your payment schedule and a clear Pay Now button. Tap it to proceed. If you'd like to pay off multiple installments or the full balance early, you can adjust the amount before confirming. Choose your payment method. You can use your default card or select another saved payment option. If you haven't already added a card, you'll be prompted to enter your card details securely. Review the payment summary carefully. Check the amount, payment date, and selected card. Once everything looks correct, tap Confirm Payment to complete the transaction. A crucial pro tip: after making a payment, take a screenshot of the confirmation screen for your records. You'll also receive an email receipt, but having immediate visual proof can be helpful if any issues arise later. And just like that, you've successfully made a payment through the Klarna app. Managing your payments on the go has never been easier. If this guide helped you handle your Klarna payments smoothly, please give it a like. Do you use the Klarna app for anything else besides making payments? Let me know in the comments below. To learn how to pay off your balance ahead of schedule, subscribe for our next video on how to pay Klarna early. Thanks for watching,